Hi guys, hope you all are doing good, and I'm happy to share that I'm back with the final episode of Annapurna Base Camp Trek, which I did early this year. So in this video, I'm gonna do a recap of all the previous episodes if you want a quick information. But for more details, I would suggest you to please watch the previous episodes as well because I've given a detailed itinerary and guide to trek to ABC. So this is our day first, and we are planning to go to Gandruk village today. So we reached Gandruk around 4 o'clock and wrapped our day. You know what is the good thing about traveling? You get to meet new people and some really amazing people whom you cannot forget, with whom your traveling becomes like so smooth, joyful. And that's how we met Daniel.
Hello guys.
Hey. Lisa.
Hey Lisa.
Hello.
Hello. Leia and Avina.
And it was absolutely amazing traveling with them. Sun is like shining so bright in the sky. It's a very nice weather, very clear, and if you see the ranges of Annapurna, it's just crystal white. And we are heading towards Chomrong, so that's our target today. We plan to reach there by 3 p.m. And after breakfast, we started heading towards Chomrong, and we came across this river and thought to fill up our water bottles. And now comes one of those very adventurous climb, I would say, since the bridge was kind of broken, half broken, so we had to take the step to go to the bridge to reach the other end of the river. So just few more steps and we will be inside Chomrong village. Here it is. This is Chomrong. So trek to ABC is not very expensive unless you're traveling with a guide or porter. It's like 6:40 in the morning, and we are starting our trek now. So the first thing which you have to do in Chomrong when you start the trek is to show your permits at the checkpost. We were literally on very high altitude right now, so our target was to reach Himalaya today and then do ABC next day. It's more of a ascent, but it can be managed. So we stopped in Sanua just for like half an hour. We finished our breakfast very quickly and started head towards Bamboo. So the next village which we have crossed is gonna be Bamboo. Though it was very narrow, but it was really comfortable walking on these trails. And you'll witness this breathtaking view of Himalayas and the clouds and this lovely bamboo forest. So we are almost about to reach Bamboo. And yes, this is it. This is bamboo. We are at 2145 meters from sea level. We stopped like for very less time, like 2 minutes in bamboo, and started walking again towards Dovan. So we've reached Dovan finally, and Dovan is like very close to Himalaya. So the trail from Dovan to Himalaya is really beautiful, guys. So it's so true, like, you know, the more you climb up, the more gorgeous view you witness. And it was so enchanting, you know, the breeze was so good here. And we are planning to start walking again until we reach Himalaya. So we have almost reached Himalaya. So this is Himalaya. Again, we booked a tea house at 500 NPR for 2 people and just wrapped our day. So it's 6:45 a.m. in Himalaya, and we have just started our trek. It's our day 4 today of the ABC trek, and we are planning to go to ABC. So yes, we have reached Devrali, and this is the view we are able to see from Devrali. It was just gorgeous. Hello. Hey Daniel. So I'm gonna be offloading my backpack here because the trail is really tough and I was not able to walk with my backpack, and I was in a condition like, you know, I cannot walk further, you guys please go ahead. I'm not going. And my friends were like somehow inspired me and encouraged me to walk further. Finally, you know, reached MBC. I was in such a bad shape. I was like, no, I can. Let's just stay at MBC and start ABC tomorrow. But thanks to Lisa and Tanya, they were like, the sunrise happening behind the fishtail. It was so incredible. Let's move. we gonna stop at Himalaya for lunch, and then we'll start walking again to Bamboo.
Achtung Daniel, letzter Spartan!
Oh, so that's a glacier hole, and the mountain ranges. It's absolutely a bliss to be here, at this time.
Here is the avalanche zone.
So now we're gonna have a quick brunch, and then we'll start heading towards Bamboo. I didn't had a raincoat, so I kind of arranged it from the tea house in Himalaya. With this, we started heading and following the same trail for Bamboo. So guess what? We are in Bamboo. With this, we wrapped our night in Bamboo Village. So guys, finally we have episode 5 of the ABC trek. It is 6:30 in Bamboo Village, and as you see here, it's very dark and cloudy. It's raining heavily. It rained throughout the night, and we were not even able to sleep because of heavy rains. And well, this looks quite adventurous. So we just had some tea and decided to leave Bamboo Village and head towards next village, which is Jinu Danda. And these are like our last few days of the trek, and with this we will wrap our trek to ABC. So we are standing here. As you see, the weather is very cloudy. It's raining as well, snowing in the whole stretch in Bamboo. So the weather is really good, guys. I cannot explain in words. As you see here, the weather is like incredible. So we have some ascents today during our trek, and also some descents. So if you've watched my previous episodes, you'll get to know that there were some points where we had to really descend a lot, and that's why in today's trek we'll have to do a lot of ascents, and which is gonna be a little tougher, but so far it's good, and the trail is a little wet due to heavy rains. So finally we reached Sinova, and we stopped here for quick breakfast. We spent some time in Sinova and started heading towards Shamrong. And the trail is again a bit of ascents and descents, and mostly ascents, I would say, but we made it to Chamrong. So finally we are in Chamrong, and as you see here, this is one of those flowers which you really find in Himalayas. It's called rhododendrons, and during spring season you'll see them a lot. Since we went during the beginning of spring, we were able to spot at few places, and it looked so beautiful, guys, so colorful. The trails were looking really nice because of them. So we started heading towards Jinu Danda hot spring. This is the place where you'll have to take a diversion for Jinu Danda from Chamrong, and the trail is really beautiful, guys. It's a downhill, straight downhill, and but just be careful because it's quite steep. We reached Jinu Danda hot springs like in no time. It was very fast. Now gonna soak in this hot springs in Jinu Danda. It's one of those very popular spots for trekkers, and especially after all those difficult trek to ABC camp, you really need this hot spring to relax your muscles. So we spent some really good time over here at Jinu Danda hot spring, and after that we returned to our guest house, spent our night in Jinu Danda village, and did some bonfire and stuff, and then slept off. So guys, as you see here, this is our day 7 and last day of our trek, and we're gonna cross this largest suspension bridge of the whole trek, and then we'll catch our jeep from a village near Kandruk. I still can't believe we made it to ABC Trek. This was such a lovely memory.
I got it. You also got it. Come.
We're gonna miss each other.
Yes, we did it.
So we have to go a little uphill to catch our jeep, and we all are trekking together today and going to Pokhara, and this is one last shot before we get into the jeep. So this is how we bid goodbye to Annapurna Conservation Area and return to Pokhara. Hope you guys enjoyed watching these videos of ABC Trek, and hope this helps you to plan your trek once this corona pandemic is settled. Until then, please hit the subscribe button with the bell icon to stay tuned on my next travel and lifestyle series. Stay safe guys. See you again.